For 10 years, we've helped the world's best product businesses grow, from humble beginnings to providing cloud software globally for businesses who make, manage and move products. We've supported our customers through tough times and unbelievable highs. As we look to the future, we remain committed to bringing more innovation to product businesses. We may have started small, but we've dreamed big, just like our customers. Join us as we celebrate 10 years of supporting good product businesses.
Hi, my name's Gareth and I'm the CEO of Unleashed Software. One of the cool things about being in business for 10 years is watching some of our customers grow. On a recent trip down to the South Island in New Zealand, we visited one of our great customers that has been with us for a very long time called Vendela. This customer supplies hotels and motels, furniture and fittings, basically anything that goes into a bedroom or any of the suites there. And what they were able to say is that Unleashed over the last 10 years has grown substantially, and the best thing about it is that we've been able to put in the great features and functions into our system as their business has grown from literally a startup with no revenue and just an idea to a business that's turning over tens of millions of dollars today.
Since implementing Unleashed, it's given us clarity of our position, which has allowed us to grow about 35% year on year for the last 6 years.
I'd say we've certainly grown together with Unleashed over these last 9 years. We see their platform increasing in functionality, and actually every time they do a product launch or an update, actually we really see the benefit of that. So yeah, it's great to have them grow with us on this journey.
So since adopting Unleashed, I think the biggest thing we've achieved is flexibility in our business and integration. I could be anywhere around the world and I could jump on my phone onto the app and know exactly what's going on in my business at any point in time, and that's priceless to me. Someone who's here, there and everywhere at any particular day, it's nice to be able to have that.
For the last 10 years, it's been an absolute privilege to be able to provide solutions to our customers globally, of which we now have thousands. I'm really looking forward to the next 10 years as we expand our footprint globally and offer even greater solutions to even more customers worldwide.